I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
Hey guys, so as you can see, my hair is very thin. If you've been following me for a long time, you know that my hair is very thin. So if I do like big chunky ones, I'm gonna end up with like lots of gaps in my head. So I tried to do them as thin as possible. As you can see, I'm not experiencing a lot of shrinkage just because my hair was stretched, and I'm not using water to saturate my hair. I'm only using the Lotta Body cream. If you use water, your hair will definitely shrink. If you've got falsy hair, make sure you try not to make your hair wet. Also stretch your hair using like African threading or cornrows or twists, and you know, something like that. Just make sure you stretch your hair first. As you can see, it doesn't look too bad. If you notice, I'm not making my parts defined like square or box. I'm just making them like as rough as possible because I want this style to look as natural as possible. If you have thicker hair, you can go ahead and divide your hair like into little squares, but because my hair is very thin, I don't want my scalp to be showing because I do have a little hair. Okay, my hair is not as dense as some of you guys, so if I do separate it in little squares, it's gonna look like there's literally no hair. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my vlog channel. I'm gonna link it somewhere up here so you guys can go and check it out. Okay, guys understand now why I said I'm not doing or making my parts neater and so defined. As you can see, if I do this, like push all the hair to the back, you won't be able to see some little squares. It does look like I've worn this hairstyle for some few days. It's not looking as fresh or neatly done. I actually like it this way because I don't have much hair, hunty. Literally not a lot of hair on my head. So you have to do what works for you. You have to do what works for you. If your hair is so thicker and dense than mine, please make your parts neater. It will absolutely turn out great. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off this side, and you know, I'll be right back with you guys. So make sure you don't use water or any product that's gonna weigh your hair down. Stretching your hair will allow your twist not to shrink that much as well, so make sure you remember that. I hope you guys did learn from this video. Like, you don't really have to feel like, oh my god, I can't go to the hairdressers, oh my god, I'm stuck, I don't have extensions, I don't have ABC. You can actually rock any hairstyle. I'm going to try by all means to keep producing hairstyles that are, you know, that you don't need any hair extensions or any much product on your head. I know as long as you've got hair on your head, you'll still have some products that you have in your house that you've been using on your hair. Okay, so you can use whatever you have at home. Okay, you don't really have to go out there and buy something. Probably this will last you 2 weeks, depending on the hair texture, how long your hair is. So this is how long my hair is at the moment, you guys, but you can see I did not experience a lot of shrinkage. Okay,
I see for my dream upon Ejima. Girl, I just want to make you come be my woman, be my woman. Anything you want from me, I no go refuse. Oh, yeah. I just want to make you come be my woman, be my woman.
so yeah, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.